want to get rich from the wealth? You gotta pick one.
We a couple niggas that own our own business.
If you don't want to share your wealth, hold on. If you ain't trying to be giving all that up, you better vote John McCain 08, all right?
If we wanted to see a black president, we would have voted for Diddy.
You hear me?
But we ain't vote Diddy.
You hear me?
So fuck that.
I ain't passing my money up nobody. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Ain't nobody getting mine. All of y'all.